The Game Builder tool helps you adjust exactly what happens throughout one of the games that you created. In a previous video, we created this game using the AI tool, and now we have a pretty nice foundation for the game itself. The Game Builder tool is your way to edit the game that we just created using the AI feature. Everything is controlled by you as the creator of the game. And that means that you can control both the number of chapters, options, the text, meaning all the scenarios, the stakeholder descriptions, the selectable options, and the feedback given to the players. So pretty much anything can be done in this Game Builder tool. And for this short video, I'm going to take you through just a few of the most important things in the Game Builder tool. For the main navigation on the Game Builder tool, we have the menu bar up here. This contains all of the different aspects that you need to look into when building your own game. In the upper left corner, you can select the chapter that you are currently working on. So we are looking into chapter number 1 right now, and we are on the tab called Chapter Question. This first tab lets you adjust the introduction for the chapter itself. So if we click out here, we see the introduction to the first chapter of the game. If we scroll up just a little bit, we then have on the left-hand side, we have the title of the chapter. We have the question asked to the players. So this will appear in the middle of the screen whenever they reach chapter number 1. And then finally, we have the starting position of all of our stakeholders and the 2 goals we added to this game. As soon as I'm happy with the settings for the introduction to the first chapter, I can go into the next tab called Options. Here we get the list of options made available to the players whenever they reach chapter number 1. So here we see there are 4 options to choose from. Each option consists of a title, a description of the action itself. So this would be what appears to the players whenever they check out each of the selectable options in the game. We then have the feedback box down here. Here we see how many points they get for the option, the title of the feedback text, and finally the feedback itself down here. The points are based on the stakeholder movement throughout the game and also movement on the 2 goals. So if we scroll down just a little bit from here, we can see what exactly happens whenever this option is selected. So we get 12 points towards the on-time milestone goal, and we get 0 points for the quality gate readiness goal. Apart from that, we have the direct stakeholder movement on the barometer. So here we see how they differ and their immediate reaction to this decision. If I want to adjust any of these values, I can simply put in a new value right here. Let's say I want Daniel Chen to move forwards by 2. I simply update the number, and now it's saved. If we go to the next tab in the menu, the character screen is your overview of all the stakeholders currently available in the game. I selected 5 stakeholders for this game, and the AI tool helped me generate a couple of stakeholders for me. So the stakeholders are available here. Just like with the introductions to the chapters and the options, you can just click this text box and you can update anything right here. You can even upload a new image for the stakeholder or select from an existing gallery of stakeholder images right here. Editing a game is an easy process with the Acti Game Builder tool, and it's really just a matter of going through all of the options and the introductions and making sure that everything plays out exactly as you intended to when you prompted for the game initially.